Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I am taking you on a point of view drive with this car, the new Renault Symbioz. This is the new model. It has just been launched on Croatian market and I'm gonna take you on a spin with it. 4 meters 41 is the length of the car. You can see a very pronounced rear overhang, and here at the rear, look at the beautiful design, the horizontal LEDs, and really emphasizing the width of the car. Let me open the tailgate. We can do it like this, and here the modular trunk. Also look at this, you have the spare tire. This is the E-TECH Hybrid. So the car is launched with E-TECH Hybrid powertrain, and then there will also be the ICE versions, so the ICE powertrains that will be available later on. Now let me open the doors and show you the interior. So this is the Esprit Alpine trim. You see the lovely seats, look at this, the beautiful attention to details, the French flag here. And now let's see it from driver's perspective. All right, this is your view as a driver. Let's start the car. And off we go. So as I said, the E-TECH Hybrid, currently the only option available for the new Renault Symbioz. And as you will see in this drive, the drive itself is so smooth. We have the multi-mode automatic transmission, and then the hybrid system that consists of the 1.6 liter petrol unit and 2 electric motors, as well as the 1.2 kilowatt-hour battery. As you can see, we have the active navigation here, Google Maps, so Google built in, which means Google Maps, Google Assistant and Google Play. Very easy to operate the system itself, and the Google Assistant also very useful. Lower the temperature to 20 degrees.
Alright, changing the temperature to 20 degrees.
So you can use it for various things. And the layout here, 10.4-inch touchscreen, which is standard across the range. And then here on this trim we have the digital cockpit, the bigger one, and then the 7-inch would be the base one.
Take the next left onto Litres CROATIA Tomislava.
So for the first trim, the Evolution trim, you would get the smaller digital cockpit. And also you can change the AC settings here. So the physical buttons, which is always the easiest way to do it. And by pressing the button here, you can change between different views that are available on the digital cockpit, including the map view, which is very useful, especially if you are in unknown city. You can also have it like this, the bigger screen, or you can choose to have some details about your drive in here. And this car has various driving modes. You can adjust various settings of each driving mode. And then by pressing this button here, you can change between different modes. And we are currently in B mode, as you can see. So when I release the throttle, the car starts to slow down to recuperate the energy, and then pull this again, and now we are in drive. And this is the speed warning assist, so mandatory by law in all new cars in Europe. And with this button that we have here, press it twice and now my safety perso is selected. Basically it's the personal setting that you can adjust before the drive itself. And now, for example, we have some systems turned on, and for example the speed warning is muted, so you can adjust the settings for yourself before you start the drive. So I put it to B mode. As you can see, the car is slowing down. I'm not touching the brake. And just in order to go to a complete stop, you need to press the brake, but to around 8 kilometers per hour, it will slow down by itself. And speaking about the trims that are available, this particular model has got the Esprit Alpine trim, which is the sporty trim, gives you the nice sporty look that you saw. Also the special seats and the layout here on the dashboard itself. And there's also the iconic version, which is actually the top of the line, and then this is more sporty. And below Esprit Alpine you have the TECHNO trim, and at the start the Evolution trim. And this hybrid powertrain is really so smooth, especially if you are driving it a lot in the city.
In 400 meters, turn right onto Vukovarska Cesta.
You can have really a lot of driving done just with electric power. And also here, for example, on those country roads, you can see that you know, we are really efficient, and we are using electric motors.
Vukovarska Cesta. Continue for 3 kilometers.
And of course this car is packed with technology, loads of driver assistance safety systems. And if we go here, you can see the list of the systems, and again you can configure them out. And I want to hear your thoughts. How do you like the layout here? How do you like the design of the all new Renault model Symbioz, which sits between CAPTUR and Austral? And yeah, overall I think It's got such a nice styling and great technology. And tell me in the comments what are your thoughts, and there will be a full review. So this is the Croatian premiere of this car, the first drive, and then stay tuned for the full review once I get the car for a proper test. And then there will also be the night driving and of course more details about the car. So thank you for watching this video, and see you on the next one. Bye bye.